Ezengwa came home with a surprise. He brought me my very own grill. Nanyerugu was busy trying to start the fire. And Chijoke didn't hesitate to bring the corn for us to roast.
You break it out, sugar. This is normal.
Father and son peeling oca in the village. And of course, Obere Chief also wanted to help. Realizing that we needed more, Ezengwa asked Chijoke to go and get more corn. And then also the others joined our little barbecue party. Even Ziora started roasting. And Ezengwa added ube to go with the corn and helped keep the fire going. Only Uche didn't come out until it was time to roast the meat.
Uchenna, ineme suya. And Chiji is drinking queen.
These village nights are sweet. Fresh food, fresh air, and the kids are playing. Yanu rienni.